Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go!
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going!
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's talking about sound effect is the farting, pooping, diarrhea, and moaning sound effect from Segura. Hello guys, Noella here. Previously, I talked about Segura's pooping and farting sound effect. Now I'm going to talk about her farting, pooping, diarrhea, and moaning sound effect from her. Let's go. It's from a video called Dina Can't Sleep Anymore. Get your fart/poop. It was uploaded 6 months ago on February 25th. The duration of the sound effect for this video is 24 to 52. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. 28. There are 28 seconds in the sound effect There are 28 seconds of the sound effect of Segura's pooping, farting, diarrhea, and moaning, so yeah. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like! See, I told you! That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for my OCs and characters, including the number blocks when they poop in the toilet. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Segura before using her sound effect. Just like I said in Season 2, Episode 15, I guess. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description. The sound effect from this video is... The sound effect starts at 24 and ends at 52. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode!